Alrighty, we're back live again. And yeah, we should be finishing this up. So I had been able to finish in the last one, just getting the RVC working as a callable function. So now we're just going to start integrating some things. Okay, cool. So some reorganization things I need to do. I need to get this into my RVC. I need to get RVC into my Tortoise TTS pipeline. What's up? Welcome. If you didn't see what I did earlier today, I was just working on RVC and getting it turned into a callable function. So that is what I am working on right now. Okay. Alright, so things might get a little bit crazy here as I think about all of the dependencies that are going to be needed for this. This is going to get a little wild. How can I incorporate... Okay, now my head is thinking. Well, I'm still calling Tortoise as an API. I know how to do that. But RVC is going to need to be inside of my my project as a module, so I'll need that. Okay, I think I have an idea on how to get this going, so let's just go ahead and start running some stuff. Alrighty, well, this did not pan out as I liked it, so we're gonna go ahead and exit out of these. Okay. Yeah. Alright, here is my... No, actually we will throw in, we will do this with Vivi, so let me go ahead and... throw my Vivi project. Let me go ahead and throw my Vivi project into here. Alrighty, so packages. I called it package. I wish I had called it packages. It's okay. Okay, I do need to clone it, so we will go into CD assistance, package directory, story. Oh, that was for vector databases. Right, CLS. Yeah, I gotta get out of here actually. Let me do a terminal. New terminal. Welcome, Voltaker. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, CD package, CD assistance, CD package, directory. Alright, alright, let's go ahead and clone this. Git clone. Alrighty. So that is cloned. I'm actually going to just name this RVC. Alright, RVC is in here, and I need all of the... Wait, do I need all those? I don't need all of those, actually. Okay, note to self, I'll need to add some Hugging Face downloads so that I can actually incorporate RVC properly into this repo. Shoot, let me create a new ideally I should do this on a new branch. Or do I still do this on my Tortoise branch? I'll just do this on my Tortoise branch. That's my experimental branch anyways. GitHub.com/Jared Micah. Let's see, I haven't pushed Tortoise to main yet, have I? Nope, I still have Tortoise inside of its own. Okay, cool. Alrighty. Retrieval-based voice conversion is what RVC stands for. Okay. Alright, let me go ahead and do some copy pasting. I will need to get in the Hubert file into here. Hubert base should go into here. Hubert base. Okay, cool. I think that's it actually. That's all I need for RVC to work as a voice changer, I believe. Yep. Want to test? Yeah, I don't need any of those other ones. Okay, cool. I just need the Hubert for that, which is perfect, which is good. And then so I should be able to just slap in that my inferer into there. Okay, so let me go ahead copy this. And I don't like the name my inferer, but so we're gonna name it something else. We'll call it can't paste. All right, we'll call it RVC RVC infer. Alright, this project's about this assistant is about to get pretty heavy. We need torch. Okay. PyTorch installation. PyTorch installation. Unable to create process using. Why is it like that? Huh, fatal error in launch. Unable to create process using. What? Alright. Pip. Unable to create process using. Well, that's new. What's up, Mimi? Thank you for tuning in. Ah, shoot. Ah. It's because I moved it, wasn't it? That's because I moved it. Yeah. How to resituate. How to get the path. How to reset up the path for a VNV after moving it into a different folder. What's up, Daniel? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much, Voltaker. Appreciate it. Shit. That makes sense. Yeah. This hurts my brain. Requirements. Okay, good thing I don't have too many requirements. That should be good. Alrighty, cool. Goodbye, VNV folder. Alrighty. Directory. CD. Directory CLS. What's up, Zaville? What's up, Kudo? What's up, Alan? Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it. Hey, yeah. One to another, Zaville. Yeah. Programming is cool. It's fun when it works. When it doesn't, it gets a little crazy, but you know, that's what we're in it for. I just realized I messed up my virtual environment, so I gotta recreate my VENV. Actually, I want to do 310. Alrighty. And then let's see what RVC needs. Let's see. Pip install our requirements txt. Okay, cool. Hey, that's awesome. I'm glad to hear it. I think it's a very interesting topic. There's a lot to be learned in this area, a lot to integrate and use. So, you know, I think people jumping on it is a good thing. Yeah, you can always reach out to me on LinkedIn. That works. I think that's usually where I've been responding to people that are, you know, talking about coding and whatnot. And yeah, from there we could, you know, brainstorm ideas and all that other fun stuff. Discord also as well too, but Discord I have gotten a lot of requests, so I haven't gotten to all of them. So uh-oh, something happened and now it's taking forever to create AVENV. What in the world? It's okay, I'll just go ahead and delete this. I'll do this on my own. I actually don't know why it's in this directory. env activate cls pip install requirements pip install our requirements. Ah, that's dumb. I'm in the wrong folder. Deactivate. Alright, let's try that again. Python mvenv pip install our requirements. Yes. Alright, here we go. Let's see all those go. You should be able to reach out to me on Discord. As long as I know that you're reaching out to me, I'll respond back. No, appreciate it. No, I am always glad that people are reaching out to me and bringing to light all these fantastic new ideas. So I appreciate it. Alrighty, VENV scripts activated via CLS. Cool. Alright, we do need some other stuff. I wonder if this pip install requirements is going to destroy and break my project. So I hope not. That would suck. But let's go ahead and do pip install our assistance packages RVC requirements. Thank you for tuning in, Jay Kuhn. Appreciate it. Streamers use this program successfully. I have no clue. I know of a couple of streamers that have, you know, told me that they've used it, or I've seen some comments. But I actually haven't seen anybody use it. It's probably because I don't watch streamers that often. But I'd love to be linked to anybody who has. I kind of dropped off the face of the earth for my Vivi assistant. And so, yeah, I'm working on it, working back on it slowly. But the AI voice stuff is going to get pretty interesting. I haven't seen anybody use the AI voice changer live, but I can only see it getting bigger from here. Definitely cannot see it getting any smaller, so. Alright, let's see what we got here. Is there a torch in here? Oh yeah, it is installing torch. Alright. The Discord, if on my YouTube videos, I have a link to my Discord group. If you hop into the Discord group, you can find me. I am Jard. I am the owner of the group. Well, the 3060 Ti, I was actually testing it on my little brother's PC, and it does work if you're only using the 3060 Ti, and it was working at a pretty fast speed. But once you start playing video games with it, it gets a little bit crazy. I was playing Fortnite the other day just to test it out on my PC, and for whatever reason, Fortnite is pretty intensive, I guess, and I could barely run Fortnite on low and have the voice changer running in real time. So that was kind of interesting. Interesting to see. What's up, ChatGPT Builder? Appreciate it. Thank you and tuning in. Appreciate it. Module not found. When you're running start the HTTP bat file, you might just want to reinstall it, because Win32 API. Hey, you might just want to reinstall it, or reinstall a different version. TMOL. Let me search that up real quick. While my 1.2 million subscribers. Moly. No, that could be that would be very interesting. That would be very interesting. I could totally see an AI voice changer getting millions of views on Omegle. Yeah, Omega, you might just want to try to reinstall the application or use a different version. Yeah. Other than that, I'm not too much of a programmer on the voice changer, so I'm not too sure what's going on in the back end. Voltaker, am I Philippines? I am Filipino. I am not in the Philippines, but I am Filipino indeed. Right, so there were no issues with this. Cool. Let me see. Python import torch that is underscore available. There's no. Okay, quit. Pip uninstall torch. Why? Alrighty, let's go ahead and copy this, paste. That would be interesting, Alexander, to say the least. I don't know if I am the Philippines incarnate. I would not say that at all. Awesome, appreciate it, Zavil. If everything goes smoothly, I should be done streaming in an hour and a half. Granted, that's if everything goes smoothly, because I do have other things to do other than do coding, which is interesting. A GTX 1070 cannot run real time, but a GTX 1070 can run with low latency, people have reported. But yeah, the 3060 Ti should be able to get close to real time, so I'm not sure what too much is happening. You might want to try running it in server mode using the Windows driver Wasapi, and try to do that. That might be a little bit better. All right. Available. Alright, cool. Okay, so technically, now that I have all of those, I should be able to go into here and start doing some stuff. So this is inside of RVC.pipeline. This is inside of RVC. inside of RVC dot. Underscore infer pack models. Why is there no infer pack model? Oh, they moved it. So my current installation has infer pack. Okay, so they moved it into lib. So let me go do that. All right, RVC lib infer pack mod. I hope this works, or else I'm gonna have to modify some things. Okay, RVC Scipio. Cool. No squigglies, and we're good to go. Nice. My goodness. I don't know. I could do ASMR. No way. Absolutely not. I will let AI do ASMR for me. What's up, RP231? Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, no, I agree. Server works the best. If you run client, it can do well, but yeah, server works the best in my opinion. Alright, so now that I've got that, I do need to do the infer YAML. Go ahead and copy this into... Yeah, let me go ahead and copy this into here. We're going to call this something different. We'll call this RVC. Call this RVC YAML. And then... Alright, RVC YAML. Let's make sure everything still works. Ah, shit. I can't do that. Okay, hold on. Before I go crazy with that, okay, hold on. Am I tired? Always tired. No, but it's just me with my random mumbling, so it helps me get through the coding process a little bit because I can speak through it, so don't want to be expending my energy on random speech. Model with high epoch? No. It depends. Everything's dependent on data. The more data you have, the less epochs you need to run. So, the less data you have, the more epochs you need to run. What is my occupation outside of YouTube uploadery? I am a test engineer. Test engineer. Alright, let's use the ultimate cheat code, which is ChatGPT. So let's see. So when I run a function, I want to set the current path to a certain folder so that I don't have to change all of the imports that are established already. Take this for example. Here are 3 imports, and I am moving them into a folder called RVC. I could do this. But then that breaks many other things. Please start by asking any clarifying questions. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Let's go ahead and do a new chat. Cool. Can you tell if a model is good or bad without testing it? You kind of can from the graphs of from the loss graphs if you run it in like TensorBoard or something. But other than that, I think the easiest way is to just test it out. Test engineer, yes, I am a test engineer. The job's not too bad. It helps me with my troubleshooting process. It's very kind of like there's always like a set sort of process you go through to debug or troubleshoot something. I think that really helps with coding on the outside of things. Hey, technically it's not. You can have the board going while it's going. So you're just observing. I guess it's I guess you could say it's testing, but it's more like analyzing and observing it. Testing would mean you throw it in and you run it. All right, it sounds like you're looking to relocate a set of scripts into connector, but you want to avoid I understand that manually updating the TDS, especially these modules are okay. Are you asking about a way to change? Yes. For example, when I run the function run, it will rely on these libraries. Is there any way to set the search path to be the RVC one at that moment, and then revert back after? Probably not, but I don't know. Well, there might be. I don't know. This is beyond over my head. All the dependencies that you're moving. Are all the dependencies that you're moving. Do you have control over how and where? Yes. We'll say, hey, what happens if I run this? We'll say no module named XXX. There you go. See, reinstalling fixes everything. That's a #1 fix in the test engineering side of things as well too. If you go to one of my videos, I should have it in I should have the Discord to my group there, so you can check that out. Or I could just invite. Let me do that. Expires never. Generate a new link. Yes. There you go. There's a link. Yep, Alexander. There are, you know, times that it gets a little bit monotonous at times, but that is kind of the job, so. Thank you for clarifying. To address, you can change the Python modules by modifying the... How are this channel? Okay. Add RVC directly to you. Occurs. This issue occurs because I am importing a completely whole complete GitHub repository into my own script and then calling it as a package. Do you have any suggestions for this? How many epochs do you think I need to assign for 19 minutes of a dude talking with a decent mic with no background and no reverb? Oh, gotcha. Let's see, 19 minutes epochs. For 19 minutes epoch wise, if you are running it for RVC, I recommend you do anywhere between 100 to, well, 50 to 100 epochs. I usually run mine just up to 200, but that's usually not necessary. Bark versus Tortoise. I have heard Bark making some nice improvements recently. And I think Bark will be pretty cool. Right now though, the voice cloning just isn't there. However, you know, I would like to incorporate like the laughing part of things, because, you know, the laughing really sells that it sounds like a real voice, right? If you're using a whole GitHub repository as a library, but one of the back packages and install the repository as a Python package, this way you can easily import it. If the repository is available as a Python package, which is usually the case, you should be able to use it. You can manually download the repository and place it in a directory where your script accesses it, and add that directory to Python path. Okay, so let me try that. Because, yeah, it is not an installable. For local, no. 11 Labs is actually really good. It's just 11 Labs you have to pay for, and sometimes 11 Labs you get weird and wonky audio and you have to generate multiple times. But you know, 11 Labs I think is the best still for quality, but in terms of matching, I think Tortoise comes closer with prosody and tone. And then you can feed Tortoise into RVC to really match a voice, which gets it much better. Hey, Bike Cloud, what's up? Appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in. Didn't think I'd see you here, but in your Discord group. So I saw one of your videos on Civet AI like four or 5 months ago. I thought that was pretty crazy. But appreciate it. Appreciate it. Any extension software that can integrate into YouTube? Very possible. I did it in one of my videos where it was responding to YouTube comments. I dropped that project a while back, but you know, I might start picking it back up because I have not been able to respond to everyone's comments in the YouTube section, and that's been it's not bugging me, but I do like to respond to people. And yeah, there's been just way too many comments, and they're all kind of like the same stuff, so haven't been able to respond to people. Cutting in and out. I probably am cutting in and out because my upload, I don't have the greatest of Wi-Fi, so my upload is half of what I would need. I should probably stream in a lower quality. Okay. Alright, what the heck was I? Alright, let me rerun this. RVC infer. Do I think 11 Labs is Tortoise based? I don't think it's taking directly from the code. However, I am pretty certain they use the same underlying technology. If you just take a look at the modifiable hyperparameters in Tortoise and then what you have on 11 Labs, you've got your temperature, and then I think you've got like your temperature and then other stuff on there that are similar. I think on the back end they both run kind of a diffusion type model that produces the waveforms or the spectrograms needed to convert back into waveforms. Hey, awesome. I am glad that it's reaching. Yeah, if you want to do text to voice, local, the best is Tortoise to RVC. RVC is like godlike. It's so good. And I tried looking at like the underlying architecture, and that's way over my head right now. So I'm slowly trying to break down RVC because that's some pretty intense stuff. But I think Tortoise and RVC together are pretty good. I've gotten some really lifelike stuff on there. Yeah, the Crowdy, unfortunately the you know, UV, unfortunately the voices, they still don't match. Well, the voices actually can match really well. Sometimes though, when you're trying to infer over a extracted vocal sample, the vocal sample has some weird artifacting that causes the voice to kind of suck. I had that with Hey There Delilah, and I couldn't really find a way around it. Music AI generator. Facebook has one. I forget what the name of it is, but Facebook has a pretty good one. There's just so many out there, or so many technologies that are coming out that I'm just losing track. There's one guy that I watch who kind of sums it all up together pretty nicely. His name is Matt Wolf on YouTube, and he's got a lot of nice weekly summaries of AI news. So I usually watch him at the end of the week to just catch up on things that are happening. What in the world? Oh, you know what I can do with with GPT-4, you can now upload files. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. This is code interpreter is pretty awesome. AI explained, craved, and raved about code interpreter, and I can see why. It's been pretty good in my testing of it. So what I'm gonna do right now is package up the part of my Vivi code that I want to show ChatGPT. Send to a compressed. Ah, shoot. It contains... Boo. I've never seen Crazy Frog. But no, it creates some pretty awesome stuff. Infer pack. Okay. RVC. Inside of here, I want to do a lib, and then I want to do infer pack. Is the name Vivi based on the anime? What do you think? Yes. So Vivi is actually one of my favorite animes. And since I really like Vivi, I was like, well shoot, I'm gonna create a autonomous bot that's gonna end up taking over the world. So let me just name it Vivi. Oh, hopefully not take over the world, but hopefully save the world. We'll call it Vivi. And yeah, that is the inspiration for it. Favorite animes, yeah. That and ReZero is my top one, but it's a whole different story. But that is the lore behind Vivi, for sure. I'm going to upload... The RVC folder is actually the RVC folder is a folder like this. Package to RVC. Alrighty, so running the code interpreter, it's going to unzip the file, and then it's going to actually take a look at it. So this is kind of cool. We would import this mod for a modify. The parent directory of RVC folder is in your path. The Python path is, at least here's how you can add the top of any script. You know what's interesting about the code interpreter is I think it's actually it's kind of like a small little instance where it stores the data onto this ChatGPT instance. Because if I exit out of it and come back to it later, it's gonna forget the files I uploaded. You would add this code to the top of the script. However, please don't file. This approach. Dang it! Is there a Chinese model in here? Oh, let me delete that. PyCache, GitHub. Alright, let me try this. Awesome. Okay, cool. Let me give you a little more context. Here is a package. Here is the package.folder.zipped up. In there is a file named RVC. Infer that UI that I need to use. However, it ends up not being able to import the needed packages due to them being in RVC. Okay. Alrighty, let's get that up and going. And yeah, when it comes to paths and stuff, man, it gets crazy. Cause yeah, I could manually go into all of these and change them to to RVC, but no. Get the absolute path of the parent directory of the okay. Multi-processing import CPU count. VC infer pipeline. RVC. So those are now inside of lib. Infer pack. Okay, VC pipeline is still inside of here. Yeah, VC and per pipeline, and then my utils are still here. MMVC. When you mean MMVC, do you mean the voice cloner or the voice changer? Because MMVC, I believe, is its own GitHub repository. But yeah, if you're talking about the voice changer, it does not have hotkeys. Hopefully, yeah. I don't have enough upload speed for the stream to be smooth, unfortunately. So I should probably stream in a lower quality, but generally it's not this bad, so. And I just realized my stream is lagging because I'm uploading this package to ChatGPT right now. That is why. That is why it's lagging. Alright, but while that is while that is going, oh man. Yeah, let me go through here real quick. That is taking a long time. How to change to add a folder to Python path. To add your new directory to your don't set Python path, you add it to entries to sys path. It's a list of directories that should be searched for Python packages. So you can just append your directories to that list. Okay, let me try that. Sys.path.append. We're going to copy relative path. Okay. That is mine right now. It's almost finished. We're like almost halfway done. Ugh. Nice. I think I got it. Know who needs ChatGPT when you have Stack Exchange or Stack Overflow. No such file or directory. actually don't know if this is good practice, but nice. Huh? YAML file path. Okay, there is no rvc.yaml here. Lies. Okay, I should be back. I should be back. I just stopped on OBS real quick and then changed it to 720p. So I wonder if that'll help. Hopefully it does. If not, then I'll have to do something else. Dataset. Okay, wait a second. No module named libinfer pack. Really? Not too sure on the delay, but yeah, I think it's running a little bit better now. Hopefully, let me know. $30 more or less. All right, that's gonna be about it. When you turn on real-time voice changer, I believe that might be like a Windows setting, but yeah, I'm not too sure. Let me see if DLAS GitHub. Okay. I know the git ecker. makes us install some of these modules. So there is a setup. Okay. To structure your RVC folder as a Python package, you need to follow some steps. Create an init.py file in each directory. These files are initialization files from Python and can be empty. To the RVC, RVC lib, and RVC. Create. Install the package. After creating the setup.py file, navigate to the directory containing it in your terminal and run the following command to install the package in editable mode. I know. What in the world? That is the best of both worlds, if I may say so myself. Oh yeah. Installs the package in editable mode. Modify the package without needing to reinstall it. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. NVEC 265. That's higher quality, not lower quality, right? I have not, but probably should try it out. NVEC. Alright, but alrighty, let's go ahead and create some. Let's see if this init has anything in it. Okay, it does not. Create perfect copy. I'm gonna paste. Oh, there's no paste. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now we're gonna paste it into lib. Okay, init. And to the RVC. Okay, I'm gonna do RVC. I'm gonna add an init here. Create a setup.py file. Cool, let's try that. Create a setup file. This from setup tools. Import setup. RVC. RVC package. We're gonna call them RVC people. Oh, is that it? Is that all I need to do? This is all I need to do. That's pretty simple. Training the new TTS. In what way, might I ask? Not great. I don't know. Just chill, simple music. I think this loop is almost done. I think I got five more minutes on this song loop. Vivi, you can already run with Tortoise. The only thing is that I don't have any official documentation on how to actually do it. Vivi is already built into Tortoise though, so you could already do it as of now. Install the package. After creating the setup, navigate to the directory and assistance package RVC pip install After creating the setup.py, navigate to the directory containing it in your terminal and run the following command to install it in editable mode. Oh, is there a dot? Oh, there is a dot there. No file folder for package. Trace back. No file folder found for package RVC beta. Shoot. I know, the RVC people, the best people. Now if I could just figure out what the heck is going on here, my life would be a little bit better. Where the heck is RVC? No file folder package. Where was this done before? I'm assuming this must have been packaged up before or something like that. Oh. Shoot. Poetry. There is a pi project.toml file seemingly causing issues. Could you guide me in the correct way? Sound issue. Good, good, good. That is always good to hear. I believe I should be able to just delete it, but I don't know. Okay, since this is already here, can I just do this? RVC. And build it that way. No file folder found for package RVC. Alright, let me delete that. did it. We did it. All right. Let me see if that actually did anything. Oh, it worked. I think it worked. Okay, let's not get too excited yet. Okay, that's simple. I actually don't know why it's not finding for reals, what the heck? Okay, cool. All right. You gotta be kidding me. What do you mean there's no YAML file named rvc.yaml? Where in the world is it running from? Oh, it's probably, oh, yeah. Beginner mistakes. It is pulling the YAML from my parent directory, which is Vivi. Not here. Stupid. Happens. It's probably why you don't drink soju while you're working on projects. Fix it. All right. Let me know what your name is so I can take a look at it later on. Alright, that can be fixed as well. I should make that like a utility function. Let me do that real quick. Get path. Alright, cool. I can do get path. Hey, you can never be too cautious. You can never be too cautious on projects. You can never be too cautious. What is the best thing to do in this situation? I could hard code it, but or I could move it to the main directory, but I wonder if there is a better way. Using its path relative to the location where your Python code is running. One common way to handle this. A manifest.in file contains instructions for setup tools about which non-Python files the same directory should tell. Okay, let me try that. Manifest.in. Okay. Ah, shoot. Oops. Pip install e dot. Oops, huh? Why did it do it as a text file? That's not gonna have any effect. Oh, boo. This is package RVC. Alrighty. Mono file not found. Hewitt base PT. Can I do model file not found. So I did that, yet I'm running into the Hubert underscore base.pt, still being found with this error code. A suggestion for a light text-to-speech model. If you need lightweight Python, you could use like Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure would get the job done, I believe. You could use Google's. You could do that too. Those are gonna be your fastest options. If you want to go a little bit slower, you could try doing Tortoise. Tortoise is a little bit harder to integrate though. Being specified directly in code, and you're just using a file name. The code needs to use the package resource. Here's how you can modify your load Hubert function to use it. Okay, I'll do this. Okay, package resources is something I can use. Okay, try that. Oh, where the heck did I go? FAQ. Alright, we're past some spots. Moment of truth. Let's go. Okay. It works. It works. Easy money. It works. Jesus. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty, that was easy. Okay, so note to self that in the future. Easy. Where is my change log? Okay. Change log. What is today's date? 7-9-23. Starting to work on integrating RVC into the pipeline for Tortoise. Some notes to take. Edit an RVC folder into the package. Alright, added an RVC folder into the package. Can be installed using pip install e dot by. That can be installed by navigating into the RVC directory with pip the current commit is this? Commit number is RVC is add an RVC folder into the package that can be installed. That can be installed by navigating into the RVC directory. Stupid. Okay. Add an RVC folder into the package that can be installed by navigating to there. The current commit for RVC is this. Okay. Added an RVC infer.py. That can be used. That can be used to convert audio into an RVC trained voice. Some thoughts. They need to configure the requirements to exclude torch if user does not want to run with RVC. As these are some hefty files. Starting to work on integrating RVC into the pipeline for Tortoise. Some notes to take. Add an RVC folder into the package that can be installed by navigating to the RVC directory with current commit. Okay. Okay, added an RVC.yaml file that is used to configure RVC and is used to configure RVC settings. Okay. Output dir equals get path. We're gonna call, shoot, how many times is this used? Opt path, we're gonna call it output dir, output dir. let's try this. Oops, I need to feed an output there. Whew, nice. There's no such package or no such file. Okay, ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Oops. Create directory. Cool. Create directory. Okay, exists, make theirs. Name. Okay, should be able to do that. Nice. Yes. Heh. Wait a second. Oh shoot, let's create it in the oops. I gotta do okay, create get underscore path. Their name. Okay. Now this is a lot of just extra stuff. Test.wav. All right. Alright, thank you for tuning in, Alexander. Appreciate it. In case this doesn't reach you, I will send a text as well. Thank you, Xander. Good. Have the best of slumbers. Oops, I said slumbers. Yeah. Alright, cool. So it should be done. Try listening to it. Nice. Alright, cool, perfect. So it looks like, alright, we got it working. Sweet. Indeed. Alright, cool. Perfect. Alright. So output file path is specified. We could actually utilize create directory. I might have these in a utilities file already. Assistant utils. Let me see. Nope, we don't. Alright, well. Let me clean up some things a little bit and move those into my assistant's utils. And let's document what they're for. Built to get the path of built to get the path of a file based on where the initial script is running. Okay. Right. Built to get the path of a file based on where the initial script is running. All right. Dang. I realized I realized when I made that decision earlier that I'm making my life a lot harder, I think, by putting everything into assistance. Maybe not. Yeah. I feel like assistance could be the Vivi project instead of Vivi being the project. Or no, I feel like assistance could be the parent folder. Let me change my camera battery. Hello, welcome in, Iron. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. A name is a string. Name of the file / folder. Create directory. Creates a directory based on the current I just realized my audio must have been wonky because I was playing it on 2 different audio devices. Oops, sorry. Creates a directory based on the current script's location. Args takes in a... Doing well. Just working on pipelining Tortoise and RVC, so I wouldn't say anything particularly mind-breakingly interesting, but work nonetheless. Name of the file / folder. Alright. Relies on get path. From assistant utils, utils import create directory and get path. Okay, so this might actually be easier than I think. So let me hop into assistant.p. Check quit. Okay. Alright, cool. Generate ATTS output based on the chosen engine. Alright, this actually might be easier than I think. Alright, that's why I copy this. And I do this. RVC. And then from here, I do from... what am I calling this? RVC infer import run. Should I do run? Do I just need run? Do I need them all? We'll start with run. We'll just do that. RVC import from RVC import run. You bet we are powering through. Nonetheless, I want to get it done today. And yeah, I don't know why this is squigglied. Oh wait, what? Did I delete everything? Hold on, what the heck happened? What in the world happened? Alternative syntax for unions requires Python 3.10 or newer. Okay. Dang it. Well, didn't realize that was in. Oh, I did. Somebody did tell me about that actually. Dang it. I forgot about that. Dang it. I set this up with 3.9. Why did I do that for? Alright, well, let me actually get this working. I'll have to set it up in deactivate. I'll have to get this as 3.10. What's up, Fireball? Doing well. Just doing some coding stuff and working on pipelining Tortoise and RVC. So well, that's about it. Nothing too crazy. I actually don't know why that was happening. Alright, move to recycle bin. Let's see, Python dash MVE venv Python in Windows. I had to specify it. No way. What? Alright, let me go ahead and delete this. Delete. And we'll use Control P. Or just do this without, we'll do that without any requirement, so it just creates it. I don't know why I was causing issues earlier. Vivi, venv. .venv scripts activate. Alright, now I can do pip install our requirements. Oops. What's up, the anime lover? Thank you for tuning in. Just working on some code stuff. I actually don't know how laggy my stream is right now, so hopefully it's not too bad. Cool. Alright, now let's do a pip install R requirements. This is going to be inside of assistance package RVC requirements. Alrighty, well that is going. What I did want to change was this. Okay, generate voice. Basically, if I just copy this Tortoise TTS1 and change it to RVC, I should be able to get going with this. Alright. If self Tortoise autoplay is true. And then that audio path is going to be the output, so going to from RVC infer import. I'm gonna actually call this run RVC. So let me go back into that folder. Let me go to that file and let's call this one RVC run. Alright, RVC run. Alright, I did everything Python 3.10, so hopefully it didn't break anything. And what the hell? Oh, I gotta reinstall it. Okay. Pip cd assistant package assistant RVC pip install e current directory. Okay, cool. Nah, it's a convoluted setup. Torch not compiled with, man, you, my goodness. Pip uninstall Torch. Pip install. Why? Right. Oh man. That's gonna take forever. I don't have a cached version of it. Hold on. Let me try installing this one. No. Oh, what in the world? Alrighty, Tortoise is going to Torch is going to install, so that's going to take 14 minutes. Okay, that's fine. Let me go back to assistant P or the corporal function. RVC run. Oh, I named it differently. RVC run. Alright. RVC run. Gonna feed it YAML path. Wait a second. I don't want to use union. That's additional code. Yeah, ChatGPT could do it. It looks nicer though. 3.10. But if it's broken on 3.10, then I gotta revert back to 3.9. Huh, interesting. So when I run them from out here, takes in the current directory. Tort.yaml. Okay, so I guess I should be able to do that. Same thing here. Yeah, I actually don't know why I didn't do that in here. Get YAML. Or just we'll just borrow this whole thing. It would be nicer to actually just throw it in the utils, but this will suffice for now. And we'll just call it RVC config. Okay, no longer need YAML file path if it's loading with this. So yeah, that can be deleted. That can be deleted as well too. Alright, cool. So now all I need to do is actually pass audio path into this one. And I want to edit here, so I'm actually surprised that ran without it. Oh, that's easy. That's easy in this case. Because all I have to do is do RVC run on the audio path, and it's oh wait, it's not that easy. I had to the audio file. Okay, wait, hold on. If I go over into RVC infer, I have to actually change that one to where it's not reading from the configuration file. All right. We're gonna say, oops, what happened here? Quit. We're gonna say currently broken. Wait, needs the comment out YAML setting for input audio. Okay. Okay, we're gonna call this, we're gonna do input path. Because yeah, I do need to feed it an input path, and then the output directory. Okay, easy peasy. Output directory. Alright, cool. So that same logic I actually need above as well too. Cool, perfect. Just right when I finished. The torch is all up and collected. Sweet. Alright. Sweet. Let me go ahead and launch my tortoise. Let me go ahead and launch my tortoise into... Right, let's go ahead and launch tortoise. Voice name, voice chunks, candidates, 050 P8 0. Okay. Cool. Tortoise is all up and running. All right, now let me see if RVC is. If RVC is working. If RVC is installed. Yeah, no, virtual environments, they're good. But yeah, I didn't realize, that 3.10, because I mostly coded in 3.10. I didn't really think much of it. So 3.9 is what you would it would break Vivi. Okay, let me run this just to make sure it works. If it works. Hey. Oh, shoot, let me comment. Alright, so it looks like it's going to work. Sweet. It worked. Sweet. Things are getting interesting. Localhost 708060. Huh? Wait a second. Where are all my files at? Hold on a second. What? Do I have a 7861? Why is it not running on 7860? Alrighty, whatever. Regardless, let me change that. Localhost 7860 7861. Alrighty. Go ahead, slap in these. Change in these file names. go ahead and recomment this out. Don't need input path anymore. Alrighty, so saying I didn't break anything, I really only needed to change the generate voice RVC. It might actually be that easy. Which I would be stoked if it was just that easy. I don't have to do anything. Go over to Assistant P, change my TTS over to RVC. Yeah, it's actually... Oh, yeah, and then I run into this. Okay. No module named assistant utils. Okay. Oops. Can't do that. Hey there. Alright, let me turn off my background music. Self.tortoise autoplay is true. Here, I could do or shoot, what is the or operand? No. Two of them? No. Oh, there's no or operand in Python, it's just or. I think. I actually don't know. I don't remember quite right if I'm supposed to be doing that in Python actually. Hey there. My model's taking a while. Tortoise API failed. Why are you failing? Let me check if it's actually working. Oh, I know why. Because I'm calling it, I'm calling the wrong request, actually. Okay, I'm calling it towards 7860. I should be calling it 7861.
Testing audio.
Let me... Okay, let me go to... All right. Six one. I'll have to add an else if, or I'll have to add like an additional if there to change that just in case it's not on 7860. All right. Hey there. No module named RVC. Ah. Okay, let me then just hard code this into the code. I'm so close, yet a couple lines of code away. Shoot, file path, Hubert, base, PT, get path. Get path. Go to definition. It's going to give me current directory. Built to get the path. Package. Alright, let me just do this as a quick fix for now. RVC Hubert base dot pt dot pt. Okay. Let me go to hey there. Model file not found. Oh, I gotta go one more. Mother trucker. All right. Third time is the charm. Hey there. Yes, it did it. Woo!
I'm listening.
Okay, sweet. It's working. Hell yeah. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Hell yeah.
Hello, I'm an assistant here to help you. I'm glad to hear that things are working for you. How can I assist you today?
Could you tell me what the Laplace transform is? Ah, it messed up. Hey there. I need to get rid of that.
I'm listening.
Can you tell me what the Laplace transform is? Oh, this is fantastic. It's actually working. Perfect. Heck yeah.
Of course, the Laplace transform is a mathematical tool used to convert a function of time into a function of complex frequency.
Alright, I'll need to, there's a lot of latency on this, so I don't think I can make it any faster.
It is particularly useful in solving differential equations, in analyzing linear time, invariant systems.
Ah, okay. Ah, I see. Okay, I see.
The Laplace transform of a function,
Okay, okay, it works. It friggin' works. I've got a freaking voice model that's working. Oh my god. It friggin' works. Okay, alright, I know why. Because that one is calling it in a single thread, and it is holding it up, preventing it from generating behind the scenes. So that is a limitation, I believe, with Kokoro. No, just kidding. With running it as autoplay, I think. Hold on. Where is it? Here we go. The issue is it is creating directory RVC run while, okay, async. It should asynchronously play the audio and generate the next one. But it seems to be getting held up somewhere. Okay, let me talk to... Let me try my streamer one. The AI streamer. Yeah, no, it's actually running with async play audio. Um, hmm. Interesting. Okay. Let me try to decrease iterations to something like 25. We'll try that. See if we can get it generating faster. Because, yeah, 11 seconds to generate a line is actually pretty long. So, yeah. Hey there.
I'm listening.
Hey, how is it going today? Okay, it's going to call the API.
Thank you. Asking. As an AI, I don't have emotions, but I'm here to assist you. How can I help you today?
Okay. Could you brainstorm some ideas for some Python projects that I might be able to do? Alright, so here is the other window. Alright,
Of course. I'd be happy to help you brainstorm some Python project ideas.
okay, so it's getting held up on this.
Could you please provide me with a little more information about your interests or any specific areas you'd like to explore? Are there any particular goals or learning objectives you have in mind for your Python project?
I want to become the Uber coder. I want to be the best of the best. Give me a good schedule to go through. Okay, so it's getting caught up on this file finished. It's getting caught up on this end part right here. Okay. Let me see. Oh, yo, that's a long one. Oh boy. Okay.
Becoming a skilled coder takes time and practice. While I can't provide you with a specific schedule, I can suggest a general roadmap to help you improve your skills. It's important to keep in mind that practice and consistent effort are key in becoming an excellent coder.
Why is it sending one by one?
Here's a suggested roadmap. 1.
It's
Learn the basics. Start by mastering the fundamentals of Python, including variables, data types, loops, conditionals, functions, and objects. Oriented programming concepts. 2.
What's up, Afixie?
Build simple projects. Apply your knowledge by building small projects such as a calculator, a to-do list, or a simple text base game.
Yeah, you could use Whisper to create an SRT file for you.
This will help you solidify your understanding of Python syntax and problem solving techniques. Study data structures and algorithms. Dive deeper into data structures, lists, dictionaries, sets, etc., and algorithms. Understanding these concepts will greatly enhance your ability to solve complex coding problems efficiently. 4.
Hey, wait, I need to stop this here. Print. Audio is not stuck in thread. Hey there.
I'm listening.
What is the derivative of 2? Should be 0. Or is it 2x? I don't know.
constant like 2 is always 0, because the value of a constant
Yeah.
does not change.
Okay.
Is there anything else you would like to know about derivatives?
Okay, so this is getting stuck here. Data. Okay. Da, 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 da. All right. My audio is getting stuck in my async play audio function. Is there any way to run it in its own thread so that it continues just running? Then async play audio. All right, let's try fixing it with that. That error you might be able to fix by just reinstalling the software, or your antivirus is blocking it, but that one I am not too sure. Unfortunately. Args equals output underscore directory. Oh, it's gonna mess up because it's that's not gonna work either. All right, let's go take some inspiration from my YouTube streamer PY. What's it? AI streamer or streamer? Yeah, I think it's AI streamer. think I don't use these threads actually. Yeah, I actually don't use these threads. Alright, we're gonna copy these queues. Let's head on over into Kokoro. I'm going to do this haphazardly real quick by slapping this into our initialization. Queues for Tortoise. Import queue. Alright, let's get the music back in here while I focus again. Alrighty. Ugh. Okay, for sentence and sentence self dot TTS generation queue dot put and put in the sentence. Alrighty. Separate sentence TTS generation read audio. I actually don't need no, but I need self TTS generation and self read audio. That's getting real messy. Okay, I need to actually call API. Alrighty, cool. So it's going to Tortoise autoplay equals true. Yeah, AI streamer self is false, right? Shoot, I forget which one requires that. Wait, what? Needs to put in the generation queue. Alrighty, sentence, generation queue, self-tortoise. Okay, let's try that. Man, I'm gonna have to refactor a lot of stuff again. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Hey there. Ay. What happened? Hey there.
I'm listening.
Could you give me a detailed list of some things to do?
I'm listening.
Interesting. Ugh. Hmm. What is going on here? Alright, I'll have to stop that. Let's see. Okay. Alrighty, I've got a sentences filter paragraph sentences for sentence in sentences, put in queue, put. Alright, so it puts all of those into queue and then it stops generating voice. Okay. Huh. Let me see if there's another thing that I can do. Let's see. What is a way I can play? I can put audio without it. There's a way I can play audio from a queue without it blocking the main thread. Here I Okay, man, we're so close yet now so far. Ah. What's up, members? What's up, member 76? Thank you for tuning in. I don't want to break that one, so alright, we're gonna do something weird. I could try to help, but I'm not doing much debugging on that right now. My biggest advice is just make sure everything installed correctly. I'm creating a new thread and starting. Is that actually gonna work? Start, stop. Yeah, if you want to open something in Discord, you could totally do that too. I want to wait until the last audio file is. That's not gonna work either, I think. Wait until all items. Oh, maybe it will. We'll throw this at the bottom to keep it easily deletable. We'll call this async play. Audio cue. My brain is fried. I can't think about this. Can you... I can't think about where to put these things. Can you rewrite the whole thing, please? I cannot think straight right now. the pipeline works fine. The pipeline goes correctly, Tortoise to RVC, but the voice assistant is a pain in the butt because I'm trying to get it asynchronous audio output, and that's a pain in the ass. What the heck? Hey there. When am I going to sleep? Sometime. I am... AI voice lag, change your chunks, change your extra, get a better graphics card, all those things. Apply. There's a lot of things that can go wrong with the AI voice changer. You could be running things in the background that's slowing it down as well too. Where the hell is he? I'm listening. Oh, this is inside of... What? Hey there. Oh, you stupid. That's what's happening. Yeah. Okay. Hey there. Nice. Okay, let it run through. Output directory. I'll muck around with that later. I'm just gonna call it. I was gonna call it RVC out.wave. Yeah. Hey there. Okay, tell me something interesting. Ah, hey there.
I'm listening.
Can you tell... Oh, wait, hold on. Am I stuck in a thread? Oh, man. Yikes. Hey there.
I'm listening.
Okay, it sounds like the audio is kind of working. Can you tell me